Hello everyone, I am Dr. Suman Devi. Today I will start the course Pest of Crops, Stored Grain and Their Management. It is the course of third year of BSc Honours Agriculture. In my YouTube channel I will cover maximum portion of this course. Now I will start the field crops. In field crops the first crop is rice. Here I will discuss the insect pest of the rice crop. These are the major insect pests of the rice: in yellow stem borer, gall midge, rice earhead bug, brown plant hopper, green leaf hopper, spiny beetle, that's also known as rice hispa, and thrips. These are the major insect pests of the rice crop which we will discuss here. First I will discuss about the yellow stem borer. Its scientific name is Crypophaga incertulus. Its family is Crambidae and its order is Lepidoptera. As the name indicates, it's a borer, means the order is Lepidoptera. First, most important thing about the yellow stem borer is that it is a monophagous pest of the rice. Monophagous pest means this insect is found only on the rice crop. Hence, its distribution is also found where we are growing the rice. And host range, as I told, it's a monophagous pest, means it will attack only on the rice crop. How to identify this insect? First I will discuss about the eggs. The moth, they are laying the creamy white eggs and they are not singly laid, they are laid in the masses and they are covered with the buff colored hairs. The next is larva. After hatching of the eggs, the larva is come out and it is of pale yellow color with dark brown head. You can see in the picture here. In the second picture you can see it's a pale yellow color and its head is brown. And in first picture you can see the egg mass of the yellow stem borer. Next, pupa. Pupa is white silky cocoon and its pupation is take place inside the stem. Next, adult. There is a difference between the male and female moth of the yellow stem borer. In female moth, the wings they carry the black spot, but in male moth they don't have any black spots. You can see in the picture. This is the female moth of the yellow stem borer. On the forewings we can see the black spot. Next, the symptom of damage. Which type of symptoms we can see on the plant which is affected by the yellow stem borer? First, as I told you, yellow stem borer, it lays the eggs in masses, means we can see the egg mass near the leaf tip. Okay, and when hatching of the egg take place, the larvae come out and it starts entering into the central shoot, where they feed gregariously, and because of this central shoot become dry up. That is known as dead heart. Means dead heart is the peculiar symptom of the yellow stem borer. I can show you on the picture. This is the first picture. You can see here the dead heart. Second, most important thing about the yellow stem borer is that it is the pest of nursery as well as of field. In a nursery, we can see the egg masses and they start feeding on the shoot. We can see the dead heart, and at the time of panicle formation also we can see their attack. Due to their attack on the panicle, we can see the white ears. In second picture we can see the white ears in the rice crop. And the plant which is affected with the rice stem borer is, we can easily pull out that plant by the hand. Next, how we can manage this insect? There are the different methods: cultural, biological, chemicals, by which we can control this insect. First method is biological control, means we should release the egg parasitoid, that is Trichogramma japonicum. This is a special egg parasitoid that is used against to control the rice stem borer. And culture practices, as I told you, the moth they lay the eggs in masses near the leaf tip. So we should remove that tip we should remove that tip, means we can control the next population of this insect. And ultimately we should go for the chemical. In chemical we should take the cartap hydrochloride means padan, chloroantirilapol means corazon, fipronil reagent, flubendamide and thiamethoxam. These are the new chemistry insecticide we should use against the yellow stem borer. Next insect of the rice is rice earhead bug. Its another name is rice gandhi bug. Its scientific name is Leptocruza acuta. Its family is Coridae and its order is Hemiptera. As I think everyone knows, in Hemiptera all the bugs, true bugs, whitefly, leafhopper, aphid, they comes. And the important feature of the Hemipterans is that they have this stylet. Okay, that is used only to suck the juice from the plant system. Okay, next I will tell the damaging symptom, which means which type of symptoms we can see on the rice which affected with the rice earhead bug. First symptom, as I told you, it's a bug, means both nymph and adult. They attack on the plant, means they suck the sap from the plant system. And here in case of rice earhead bug, the name indicates earhead bug, means this insect attack only on the ear of the rice crop. Okay, means the bugs, they will suck the juice from the individual grains, or we can say this insect attack we can see at the time of milking stage of the rice. Okay, and because of that the grains, they become chaffy. And if we want to the external symptom, we can see the black spots on the grains at the site of feeding puncture. And as the name, you can see the name rice earhead bug. Another name I told you, it's rice gandhi bug, means gandhi means bad odor, means this insect release the bad odor where the attack of this insect take place. This is the picture in which you can see the rice gandhi bug. It start attacking on the rice grains. Management means how to manage this insect pest. This is also important. We should remove the alternate host, that is echinocoloa. You know, echinocoloa, it is the mimicry weed of the rice. If we remove this weed, we can control this insect. Next, we should use the neem seed kernel extract 5%. And for the management of the sucking pest, we should use always systemic insecticide. Systemic insecticide means the insecticide which will go in the system of the plant. Okay, and when the hemipterans, they suck the juice from the plant system, that ultimately goes in the insect system. Next है brown plant hopper. Most important insect pest of the rice is brown plant hopper. Its scientific name is Nila parvatalugens. Its family is Delphacidae and order is Hemiptera. Symptom of damage means which type of symptoms we can see on the rice which is affected by the brown plant hopper. As its hopper, as I told when I taught you the earhead bug, means leaf hopper, aphid, whitefly and all the true bugs, they comes under the order Hemipterans. And Hemipterans basic characteristic is that they only suck the juice from the plant system. Here also same happen. The leaf hopper, they suck the juice from the plant system. Because of that, the plants dries up and it gives the scorched appearance, that is called hopper burn. I can show you in the picture. In the first picture you can see the hopper burn. It means a field that is showing the burning appearance. And circular patches of the drying and lodging of the mature plants also. Circular patches means patch of the dryness in the field. Next, most important thing about the brown plant hopper is it is also act as a vector of the viruses that cause disease in the rice crop. Means grassy stunt, ragged stunt and wilted stunt. That disease is caused by the viruses, and the viruses comes by using the brown plant hopper as a vector on the plant system. Management. How to manage the brown plant hopper. Its management is most important. We should not use the excessive use of the nitrogen. Means if you are using the excessive nitrogen means more vegetative growth and succulent growth which will help in the multiplication of the brown plant hoppers. So we should avoid the excess use of the nitrogen in the rice crop. Second, this insect multiply only when the environment is having the more humidity. So if you control the humidity, we can control this insect pest. So we should control the irrigation. Third, set up light traps during night. Means when we set up the light traps in the night, the light traps attract towards the light traps, the hoppers, they will attracted, and there we can control. Next, drain the water before use of we should apply the following insecticide. Basically we should go for this system insecticide. Here we should go chlorpyrifos, we should use as a directin, buprofezin, catechid inhibitor. These are the insecticides we should use against the brown plant hopper. And here I didn't mention, I will tell the one more important practice, that is alley cropping. Alley cropping means we should kept a empty line in the field so that we can control the humidity of that area. This is also the important practice for the management of the brown plant hopper. Next insect we will discuss in the next video. Thanks for today.